in Baguio. We are one of the most dense cities, rural setting. We are rural setting pa nito. Doon sa sinabi ko sa iyo na 367, ang population density namin is 6,003 per square kilometers. That is yung nighttime population. Daytime is around 10,000 per square kilometer. And ang road capacity namin can only accommodate around 15,000 to 16,000 vehicles. Ang registered number of vehicles namin noong 2018, 64,000. 25,000 are motorcycles. Kaya ang problema mo rito sa Baguio, environment. Problema mo rin yung geohazard areas, especially occupied by settlers. Third is itong traffic. Malaking problema yan. Now, if we dissect it, yung environment, nandyan yung aming contaminated rivers. We are one of the cities na we have very contaminated rivers. Kung yung Pasig River, yung Manila Bay is 450 million per 100 ml. Ang contamination, coliform level niya. Yung Balili River, coliform level niyan is 1.6 quadrillion. Quadrillion. Ito rin isang problema namin, yung air quality namin. We have one of the poorest air qualities. In fact, there was a study in 2015 or that was in 2014 na kami number 1 poor air quality. Second lang ang Manila and Cebu. No? And just last month, I was talking to the SM executives. Sabi nila sa akin, alam mo sir, sa tingin ko tama yun eh. Kasi itong white na ko namin dito, yung cover nila, yung canvas nila, sabi niya, sir, every two years, ang linis namin dito eh. Ngayon sir, wala pang isang taon, lilinisan na uli namin. At very, very glaring yung increase ng respiratory diseases, morbidity rate. In just 2017 to 2018, ang cases namin jump as much as 87% respiratory diseases. Although bumaba na ngayon, pero glaring pa rin yun. Bakit tumaas? And it's yung quality of air. Dahil nga nakita nyo, ang daan dito, mataas ang grade incline yung mga roads namin dito. So, ang apak sa sasakyan, din, di ba? Lalo-lalo diesel. So, mas mataas ang carbon emission. So, ito yung ina-address namin lahat dito. Water is another issue. Water namin is, ang shortfall namin dito is about 10,000 to 15,000 depending on what season. A day, cubic meters a day. So, kita dito, ration dito eh. So, these are the things na problema namin dito. So, what are we doing about it?